and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing an Amazon wig review. I've done a lot of Amazon hair companies in the past, but I'm always like when it comes to Amazon because it's just not like the most popular place to purchase hair. Most of us, we buy our wigs off of AliExpress, or maybe it's just like an independent hair like website or something, but it's very rare that, you know, we purchase hair off of Amazon. I mean, I purchased just about anything off of Amazon, but hair was just like, I don't really know. But this company reached out to me some time ago and I was like, sure, why not? Let's go ahead and review the wig. And I thought now would be the perfect time to review this wig because it is a bob, as you guys can see, and the summertime is here. It's cute, it's perfect for summer. I'm really excited to review and show you guys how I slayed this bob. I think this hairstyle is super cute. This bob is absolutely effortless, you guys. I didn't even have to cut it. The bob literally came like this. It came layered and everything, so when I curled it, the curls just came out super popping. And yeah, this is an Amazon wig that I am just like gagged by. Like, I can't even believe that I got this from Amazon. But yeah, you guys, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, so here is the wig. I did go ahead and I plucked it and everything, and then I bleached the knots or whatever. The only thing that I need to do now is just add some foundation to the lace. Here's the inside construction of this wig. You don't get a lot of like lace room with this wig, so that's the only thing that I'm kind of like about. Like, you could pretty much only wear this hair in like a flip over or something like that, but you can't really do too many like hairstyles with this. This unit does come with combs, but there aren't any combs like on the lace. You get a comb here on this side, a comb on this side, and then you also get a comb in the back. But anyway, we're just gonna put some foundation on the brush and then go ahead and coat our lace. Gotta be the short shot. Yes, yes, y'all. And you don't stop. To the beat, y'all. And you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all. And you don't stop. 1, 2, y'all. And you don't stop. Yes, yes, y'all. And let's try this wig on now. So this wig is definitely really secure on me. Like, I don't have to worry about this wig like being too loose or anything. It look crazy right now. Don't worry, we gonna get it cute. It's gonna be cute in a minute. Don't worry about nothing. I did go ahead and pluck this unit already, so I don't have to worry about doing anything like that. But yeah, so now that we have our wig applied, I am just gonna comb it out. Oh, I gotta take these earrings off, girl. My hands and everything is getting caught in the doggone earrings. Boom. So yeah, love this. Look at the young hairline looking extra natural. Hello. So before I even apply my lace front or anything like that, I'm just gonna take my Beyond the Zone spray and I'm going to put that all over our hair. Try not to get it all in your face like me. And go ahead and just rub that through your hair. You can use a comb, but since this is a bob, you can really just use your hands to like rub all of this oil through and like really get it in there, get it all in the roots. But yeah, so far though, love this bob. It's super cute. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so I have to figure out which side I want my bang on, because I am gonna do like a flip over. Should I do a flip over on this side? Like, what y'all think? Flip over on this side or flip over on this side? I mean, I can do it either way. It doesn't really make a difference. I kind of like both ways on me. But, I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out later. In the meantime, let's go ahead and press out our roots. You did.
I wanna be down with
and plug in this curling iron. This is a 1 inch and 1/4 curling iron. So you guys, this is the look for the most part. If you wanted to, honestly, you can like wear it like this, and this is still really cute, like these messy waves in a sense. You can definitely do that instead of doing what I'm about to do. Mine is really gonna be more so just like a bump in the wig or a bump in the hair, more so than like waves or anything. I don't know how to explain it. You guys will just have to watch and see. I should be using clamps, so let me get some, or at least one.
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a life for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I've been stumped out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead, so ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. Ayy, 30 million later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram like be cautious. I be hanging out at Thames, I be on Stockton. I don't do it for the gram, I do it for Compton. I'm willing to die for this shit, nigga. I take your fucking lives for this shit, nigga. We ain't going back to broke, family selling dope. That's why you many-ass rap niggas better know. Gotta slap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sexy. If I gotta go hard on the bed, I'ma make it look sexy. Like pull up, hop out, air out, made it look sexy. They won't tell me I'm my element, nah, tell me I'm allergic to a bitch nigga, ayy. An imaginary rich nigga, ayy. 7 figures, how that slimmer than my bitch figure, ayy. Going digital and physical on all y'all, ayy. Bunch of criminals and money in my phone calls, ayy. Be okay, we let the A1 fly. Relocate, jump on the same G5. Check it for me heavy, cause I go, yeah. They never be ready, yeah, I know, yeah. 100K spread across the floor, yeah. None of y'all fucking with the flow, yeah. Years in the making, they don't y'all mistake it. I got them by a landslide, we talking about races. You know there's never be a tie, just look at they laces. You know careers take off, just gotta be patient. Bitch the 1 through 5, that's the only logic. Fake my death, go to Cuba, that's the only option. If I gotta slap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sexy. If I gotta go hard on the bitch, I'ma make it
Beautiful. Love how this came out. So yeah, once again, the curling iron that I use is a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. I do have it on 400 degrees, and this is how it came out. I love my bob. I think it's super cute. I didn't cut layers in it. I know somebody's probably gonna ask, like, did you cut layers? I didn't cut layers. This is just how the wig is. This is how it came. And then I just curled it up, you guys. Really cute. Here's the side. I hope that the back is curled out. I can't see the back, so I don't really know what the back is giving us, but nonetheless, the rest of this bob is super cute and flowy. I feel like real 1950s or something with this hairstyle, like where my hair like this. I think it looks kind of like old school. But yeah, even if I didn't want to have it, you know, like up, I can have it like this. But I kind of like mine behind my ear. I like how that look is. And then here's another view, side view. I still got this piece of hair that wants to get on my nerves. So once again, this wig is from Fashion Idol. This is an Amazon seller. They sent me this wig quite some time ago, but I just never like work with it. But like, look how cute our bob came out. And like I said, I didn't even cut layers in it, but look how like bomb it like came out. And I don't remember the inches of this wig, so I'll leave it down below, but this is probably like a 10-inch wig. I definitely don't think it's anything longer than a 10-inch, but love this bob. So here is the box. Here's the box that this wig came in. Say how many inches it is. So this wig is 10 inches. It is a bob, just like I said, it was 10 inches. It says the color is natural, which means like it's just a natural brown color. Like, you know, your typical dark brown color. I thought that I was gonna have to color this hair, but it's actually dark enough for me, so happy about that. In the inside of your box, you do get a wig stand, and that's pretty much it. This is it. I believe that they gave me a wig cap as well, but this is the wig stand that they gave me. I think, let me see, but I think this is great. I mean, this is new. This is something different that I've never received before. Most of the times when I get free stuff like from companies, it's usually like a wig cap or eyelashes, but never like a wig stand. Oh, I see, you just put these two pieces inside of each other. This go like this, and then these two pieces, how'd that go? Wait, how did that go in there like that? Oh, I'm gonna break it. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, wait, I see. You put these two pieces in together. Is that how it go? Girl, I'm gonna break this thing trying to put it together. I don't know. They go together somehow like this. It's supposed to go around. Girl, anyway, they gave you that for free in your wig order. And then they gave you this beautiful wig. I love this wig though, you guys. Like I said, this wig is 10 inches. I haven't went short in like ever on my channel, but I thought this would be a great bob to start with. The hair also has its own natural layers that they put in the hair. So if you do purchase this wig, you do not have to worry about adding layers to it or anything like that, because it's pretty much done for you. If you guys have any questions and I didn't answer them in today's video, go ahead and drop a comment down below. I'm always active in the comment section, sis, so if you leave a comment, be prepared for me to reply, because I reply to everybody. So yeah, let me know down in the comments down below how you guys think I did on this bob. If you guys like this wider shots, then let me know as well. I'm just definitely trying to bring in better quality videos for you guys. Yeah, I definitely just want to continue to bring better quality content to my YouTube channel. So I hope you guys really liked today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye!